Hi friends, in this video, I'm gonna review this USB tester. So without further ado, let's start this video.
If you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get notified about my new videos. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I have a second channel, Canitech, do check it out as well. Subscribe and support it. All the links are in the description.
So this is the USB tester. This USB tester displays 7 different parameters. With this USB tester, we can measure voltage, current consumption, temperature, working time, power, watt per hour, and milliampere per hour. This meter has reset button to erase the recorded data. Now let's connect different loads to this tester. So that's it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. For more videos like that, stay tuned and I will see you in the next one.